Welcome, gentlemen, and those aspiring to be to Gentleman Tips by Stan 80. Here we dive into the intricate world of etiquette, tradition, and sophistication, crafting the modern gentleman's guide for navigating the world with finesse. Today we'll embark on a historical journey of toasting. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and enjoy as we delve into the art of raising a glass. Let's journey together from the origins of toasting to crafting the perfect gentleman's toast. Let's learn, evolve, and toast to a better us. Our tale begins in ancient times, a period shrouded in mystery and intrigue. The origins of toasting are believed to be as old as civilization itself, with the earliest evidence dating back to the ancient Greeks and Romans. They would lift their goblets high, often filled with wine, to honor their gods and celebrate life's victories. The phrase to toast actually comes from the Latin word tostus, which means roasted or parched. Quite fitting, don't you think? Fast forward a few centuries to the Middle Ages in Europe, where toasting took on a new significance. It became a symbol of trust and camaraderie, a gesture of goodwill among friends and foes alike. The practice of clinking glasses was believed to serve a practical purpose, to ensure that one's drink was not poisoned. A hearty clink would cause the drinks to mix, a rather clever way to ensure everyone was in the same boat, wouldn't you agree? As we move into the Renaissance, toasting evolves yet again, this time becoming a more refined and elegant affair. It was during this era that the modern toast, as we know it, truly began to take shape. The toastmaster would stand, raise their glass, and deliver a heartfelt speech or sentiment, followed by a collective sip from all present. This tradition is carried on to this very day. Now, allow us to delve into the modern etiquettes of toasting. Today, the act of toasting is a celebration of camaraderie, respect, and good cheer. It's an opportunity to express gratitude, to honor a person or occasion. To make a toast like a true gentleman, one must remember a few key points. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly. Begin your toast by expressing your gratitude or acknowledging the occasion. Use a personal touch, perhaps a story or a joke, to engage your audience. Always keep it brief and to the point. After all, brevity is the soul of wit. And finally, raise your glass high and invite others to join in your sentiment. To conclude, the art of toasting is a time-honored tradition, steeped in history and evolving with the times. It's a symbol of respect, camaraderie, and celebration. From the ancient Greeks and Romans to the modern-day gentleman, the toast remains a staple of social gatherings around the world. Remember, a good toast is more than just words and a sip of your drink. It's about making a connection, sharing a moment, and creating memories. So the next time you find yourself raising a glass, remember these tips and make your toast a memorable one. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and art of toasting. Until next time, keep those glasses high and those toasts heartfelt.